in this video, I am going to show you how I built a multi-million-dollar award-winning website for free with the help of Google Anti-Gravity. And before we begin, I'd like to give a special thanks to two YouTubers who inspired me to create this project. I am going to show you step by step how I created this amazing website. There are a few steps well follow from the beginning, and you can follow the same steps to achieve the same result. There are 6 steps in total, and the 6-step Netlify deployment is optional. If you want me to cover that step, please let me know in the comments below. Now, let us move on to step 1. In the first step, we already created some images using Google Whisk. I have added all the prompts I used in a Google document, and I will put the link in the description so you can easily copy and use them. Using these prompts, you can generate product images like the iPhone images I created. I have also shared prompts for creating exploded views of any product. You can use the exact same prompt without changing anything, or you can customize it by adding your own product details. We move to Google Labs, Google Flow. Here, we create a transition motion video by using a first frame and a last frame. We just need to add a simple command bar, and the tool will generate a smooth transition video. If you have a premium version, you can export the video in high resolution. I am using the free credits available to me. I have also created a simple prompt for this step, so you can easily generate the video with smooth transitions. Now, for the next step, you can copy the complete prompt from the document and use it again with a few changes. Make sure the mode is set to planning and the model is set to Gemini. Change the product name and product type, and make sure you mention all the details clearly. One important thing to remember is to mention the image folder path. Initially forgot to add it, and because of that, Anti-Gravity could not find the images folder. If the folder path is missing, the images will not appear on the website, which can cause problems. Next, check how many images you have and mention the image count in the prompt. The logic works based on this count. Also, follow the correct naming convention for the images. Just copy one image name and paste it into the prompt. All these instructions help Google Anti-Gravity understand exactly what we are trying to build. Once everything is ready, check if anything is missing and then press enter. Anti-Gravity will start working on the implementation plan. It may ask for confirmation plan. And you can simply click OK. In my case, I forgot to add the image folder path earlier, so I added it when prompted. Please make sure you do not miss this step. After that, Anti-Gravity completes the implementation plan. Now it asks us to run the command to start the server. npm run dev. I faced a small error here, so I simply copied the error message and shared it with the AI. The issue was fixed automatically. This is the final result. It may not look perfect yet, but it's a great starting point. If you continue improving and refining it, you can turn it into something truly amazing. If you like my video and want more tutorials on Google Anti-Gravity, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.